For that, do stay on, because in our Spotlight segment, we have a stock that you look at closely, ElectronicsMart India. I think the last time I checked, it was up close to about 5.5%. Can you take us through why it's buzzing?
Thanks so much for that. So ElectronicsMart is buzzing on the back of an initiating coverage by Anand Rathi. Now they have initiated coverage with a buy rating and a target price of 156, which gives us a potential upside of nearly 65%. Now ElectronicsMart is a consumer durable and electronics retailer, which is similar to players like Chroma, Reliance Digital. Now Anand Rathi's investment thesis is basically on store expansion, diversified product range, and much better financials than its peers. Now, ElectronicsMart has forayed into the NCR region, which is the largest market for consumer durables in India. It plans to add 20 stores each in the next 2 financial years, FY24 and FY25. They have more than 6,000 SKUs across categories, and they have seen healthy revenue growth in all 3 categories that they operate in. For mobile phones, they have seen a revenue growth of 22%. For large appliances, they've seen a revenue growth of 14%, and for small appliances, they've seen a revenue growth of 36% in the last 3 years on a compounded basis. When you compare their financials with their peers, it is also better on, on all operational metrics. That is because they deal with large and premium brands which have a demand pull, and also they do not manufacture their own products under the white label like many of their other peers, which is why they also operate at a higher margin on a store level. On basis of that, they expect the revenue, EBITDA and PAT to grow in the range of 18 to 25% over the next 2 years, and they value the company at 22 times FY24 PE.
Okay, all right. That is ElectronicsMart India. Thank you, Surabhi, for joining us and telling us why this stock is in focus. With that, we'll slip into a short break. Up next, we'll be joined by Abhimanyu Bhattacharya of Khaitan and Company and Sanjay Asher of Crawford Bailey and Company to discuss SEBI's recent decision on listing